Well, the response criteria for Waldenström's needs some evolution because as we're developing newer drugs, we're recognizing the importance of categorical responses. This is one of the important topics at this meeting where a consensus panel will be looking at revising the response criteria, in many ways actually making it easier, making it potentially just based on IgM as opposed to looking at this as a classical lymphoma where extramedullary responses have been taken into account. But it's unusual in Waldenström's to see extramedullary disease, and that's why a more uniform, simplified response criterion for this disease makes sense. We're seeing now the FDA also use it in its label. We're seeing it being adopted in many of the studies that are introducing new drug development for Waldenström's. So this is at least one of our exciting debates at this meeting is, can we simplify our response criteria? Can we make them more real world? And make it actually easier on the patients as well.